This how-to video is going to be on how to edit a user that's existing in the system. So the first one I'm going to show is editing a user that has a VT3000 login. And then the second one would be how to edit a user for where you use an Active Directory or your network login. So from the welcome page here, we want to go to the VT3000 core software. And where we want to be is under this users and administration. So to select that here, we can go administration and users. Basically, we have our users listed out here. So I'm going to select John Doe here, and I'm going to hit edit. And so what I can see is this is his username. So this is what he uses to log into the system. As you can see, this is telling me that's his VT3000 login. This is his password, his email address. Any of these fields can be changed. I can change what group he's in, change his theme, you can add a phone number, add a different email address, or I can change the password. So let's just say it's going to be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now once I save that, just hit save and exit. Now he has a new password. Just need to make sure that I let him know about it. And that's how you would do a VT3000 login. The other one would be if you're using your Active Directory. So in that case, what you would want to do is this one here is one of my Active Directory ones. So select it, I hit edit. Now same thing here. I can select the email, I can change the phone number, change the group, change the theme. I can even change what the full name is. So this is just letting me know Jane Doe server login. And so the one thing that I can change is their username. So if their username got changed on the domain, I need to make sure that this one matches that. So when they log in and it does that authentication, it's the same. So that's where you would change that. Once you make any changes, just hit save and exit. Let them know now that you've updated their user login. And that will conclude this video on updating users or editing users inside the VersaCall system. So we're talking to you again. Take care.